Hi everyone, my name is Shivam Mehrotra and this is my first video where I am coming up with market analysis. And as we have covered 6,000 followers on Instagram, now we are bringing more content on YouTube where we would be bringing free of ideas so that you can learn and earn from this stock market. Now let's start a video. So the first stock that I have is SBIN. Now as you can see, I have made the zones and I've made the patterns right here. So SBIN is forming a symmetrical pattern where breakout at either side becomes an entry point. ये मैंने अपनी कितनी ही इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स पे या कितनी ही वीडियोस पे बोला है IGTVs में, where जब सिमेट्रिकल पैटर्न कोई भी चार्ट फॉर्म करता है तो ब्रेकआउट बोथ साइड पे पॉसिबल होता है, नॉट ऑन वन साइड. And that's why I have made some levels जहाँ पे हम entries both side पे ले सकते हैं and we can manage the stop loss and target levels. Okay, so right here this is the pattern, symmetrical pattern, and breakout from these level 414.10 would help you to get a target of around 422 right here. Now the zone I have made, this is acting as resistance, and I would just write the zone right here for you so that it becomes easy to understand. So it's 416.05 to 419. Okay, 400. Yeah, this is the resistance zone, so it might consolidate in this zone because on 17 August at 12:15 also it came here and it took reversal, and then on 20 August the opening was under this zone right here also. On 25th August 1915 the first candle was in this zone, so it might consolidate in this zone. Now talking about agar breakdown hota hai support se, so I would just mark support levels too, and it is 407.45, 409. Yeah, here is support zone. If the body is closing under this zone, you can short and take a target for here, this 401.15. this would be approx 1.5% of target, and that's good for intraday. Okay, so this was our first stock SBIN, and the analysis was done on 1 hour time frame. Now हमारा second stock है टाटा स्टील. So टाटा स्टील का एनालिसिस हम 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे देखेंगे, and this is the same pattern as of SBIN. टाटा स्टील भी symmetrical pattern form कर रहा है, and I have made this support and resistance zone, and I would write here for you. So first of all, breakout at अगर टाटा स्टील 1386.40 पे ब्रेकआउट देता है, then our targets are at the first target would be 1394 rupees. एंड सेकेंड टारगेट हम 200 मूविंग एवरेज, 200 एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज का टारगेट ले सकते हैं. नाउ इफ अगर ब्रेक डाउन होता है, यानी कि इस एरिया से ब्रेक होता है, एरिया से 1381. Then we can short this stock and हमारा टारगेट डायरेक्ट ये होगा, जो हमारा 1% टारगेट है, दैट इज 1367. Now, yeah. So this is our Tata Steel analysis on 15-minute time frame. Also, अपना stop loss enter only if your risk reward is more than 1:1, not less than 1:1. If your risk reward is more than 1:1, enter after that only. अगर आपका stop loss आपके रिस्क से ज्यादा, तो प्लीज कोई एंट्री मत करो. इफ ज्यादा मार्केट गैप अप खुलती है, अगर टाटा स्टील में गैप अप कैंडल खुलती है, तो डोंट मेक एनी entries for going long on Tata Steel. If there is a gap down entry, if Tata Steel is closing below these levels 1380, then you can short Tata Steel for the target of 1367. Now अब हमारे पास एक swing stock है, that is Tata Motors, the most favorable stock, and so इसका analysis हम 1 day time frame पे देखेंगे. Now right now as you can see, Tata Motors 6th July 2021 से fall हो रहा है, and it was at its Tata Motors 350 के लेवल्स पे था 6 जुलाई को, and now it is at 285.75 level. So if you see the candle of 24 July 21, zoom करता हूं मैं, yeah, this candle जहाँ पे मेरा कर्सर है. So if you can see, in the starting half time, bears were taking more entries in Tata Motors, but at the end bulls favor and the candle closed in green. अगर Tata Motors on 24th August रेड कैंडल के साथ 200 मूविंग एवरेज के नीचे क्लोज करता है, एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज, जो कि एक इंपॉर्टेंट मूविंग एवरेज है, then Tata Motors would have gone more down, because अगर आप ये देखो तो Tata Motors is forming head and shoulders pattern from here. And the length of the head is approx 74 points. So that would be a worse scenario for Tata Motors. Wait, yeah, 76 point. And that would be a worse scenario for Tata Motors. If now, why it is a swing entry? So अगर आप देखोगे तो वॉल्यूम्स भी अभी कम है, but if the body closes, if the body closes above 287, then you can go long on Tata Motors, but also look for momentum in it. अगर वॉल्यूम ज्यादा हैं, after that only make entry in Tata Motors, and your first target would be this 308 का. आपका पहला टारगेट ही 308 का होगा. I would just mark that for you. So ये थोड़ा देखो, your first target would be and after that your second target would be around here. So this was our stock analysis. Now coming to our index analysis, Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 is near its all-time high. Nifty 50 is near its all-time high and its का जो previous support zone था, it came close, but उससे पहले ही वो reverse करके अपने all-time high के पास आ गया है. अब Dow Jones, the possibilities are that market would open gap up because foreign markets भी positive में बंद हुई है. And let's see अगर जब if gap up खुल के and the next candle takes support from this area 16,709, then we would go think to make an entry long on Nifty 50 right here. $1609, 700, sorry. And if Nifty 50 is closing below 16,684, then we can think to short Nifty 50, and the point should be around 54 to 61 points, and that is good for intraday because it has its support right here, this one, that is at 16,626. Now this one, the block that this is the block that is the area जहाँ पे market बहुत बार आया, but there was no such movements, no such, it took resistance from here, then it went into this block, a gap up opening, then it came back to this zone, closed below it, then on 9/15 23rd August again it took resistance from here, again it went here. So this is a zone where there is more of such movements where we can't decide that what would happen in this zone. So we won't be making any entries on this zone, and we would consider this zone as sorry, yeah. I said you कि अगर ये बॉडी इसके नीचे क्लोज होती है 16,684, after that only we would go and short Nifty 50 for up till 16,626. बट इस जोन में आने के बाद we would wait and see मार्केट कैसा रिएक्शन दे रही है. Now coming to Bank Nifty, this is the last talk, this is the last index and last analysis for Monday. So Bank Nifty and SBIN are forming same pattern. अगर आप देखो तो SBIN भी symmetrical pattern form कर रहा है and Bank Nifty same symmetrical pattern form कर रहा है. So if Bank Nifty is closing above 35,761, you can go long on Bank Nifty. For a target of around this 36,260 का टारगेट हमें मिलेगा. And if agar Bank Nifty is closing below 200 exponential moving average, then we can short Bank Nifty for up till here 610 points. That's huge point for intraday. That is 1.72%. and let's see what happens. So at the end of the analysis, I would say, first of all, on from September first week, we as a stock market community, we won't be making any entries because of the new SEBI margin rule, and it's not a much of problem for equity, but for the one जो ऑप्शंस में ऑप्शंस एंड फ्यूचर में ऑप्शंस करते हैं उनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज मार्जिन फिनिश ही हो चुका है बिल्कुल. एंड yes, so from September 1 there are many persons जो September 1 को कुछ भी एंट्रीज नहीं लेंगे. एंड बट आई एज अ पर्सन, आई डोंट थिंक कि एक दिन से कुछ सेबी पे असर पड़ेगा. एंड वी वांट आवर वॉइस टू रीच टू सेबी अथॉरिटीज सो दैट दे शुड रियलाइज के जो वो कर रहे हैं, जो वो सोच रहे हैं कि हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा, दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर अस, दैट इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस. सो आई होप एंड आई वांट कि आप ये वीडियो को शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, अपने ओपिनियंस बताएं कि आपको एनालिसिस कैसा लगा, एंड शेयर भी करें, बिकॉज वी वांट कि ये वॉइस सेबी अथॉरिटीज तक पहुंचे एंड दे शुड थिंक अबाउट द मार्जिन रूल एंड दे शुड change margin rule so that it is benefit for us. So this is the end of the video and I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा. Yeah, bye.